We continue to models, rows and wall panel. Click on the wall panel. Use the rectangular. Click on the base point and click on the second point. Enter. Again, click on the base point. Click on the second point. Enter. And take a rectangular section. Click, zoom in, enter. I suggest you model it one by one. Do not copy from one side to other side to ignore the error, to avoid the error. Enter. Click on the rows panel. Zoom in, click. Zoom in, click. Zoom in, click. Click it. Enter. Check direction of the wind panel. Yes, this direction is correct. This is the direction of wind panel. Yes, this one is the same. Now add the rows. The load will be distributed on the main raster, not on the purlin. It's very important to check the direction of the wind and wall panel. It not distribute only for the wind or wall, but for the load and on load. Whatever load applied on this panel will be distributed to this direction. Thank you for your watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.